pwede yun.
Karate ba yan?
Karate na yung ginagawa eh. Hindi pwede yun.
Suki mo! Pasok!
Time is up for Source of National Harvest. Nagawa nga ako ang tapos ako. Pero ito na tayo. Papasok tayo dyan ang school. Ako tapos ako. Sige.
Natatawa.
Okay, wala na go.
Wala niya alam.
Your setting of Zone 3, number 19. Zone 4, number 18. Zone 5, number 20. And Zone 6, number 10. Your services for PLC. Zone 1, number 16. Zone 2, number 4. Zone 3, number 13. Zone 4, number 18. Zone 5, number 3. And Zone 6, number 15. Good luck, players. Service, number 16 of PLC. Good serve. It's an out ball. Coming from the long grounds. 1-0. Johnson National High School. Number 2. Good serve. Oh, by Levis. 2-0. Number 2 again. Inside. It's an ace for number 2. 20-0. That's a make that. Number 2. Good serve. Number 2. It's an ace again for number 2. 4-0. That's a make that. Number 3, good serve. That's number. And then 3 ball. Set on number 2. The service by number 4, set ball by number 8.